Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix issue the volume level changing when change between channels. So for this, simply go to settings, then tap on the option all settings. Then here you can see the option sound. Select this one. Now scroll down, tap on the option expert settings. Then here you can see the option auto volume. Now the auto volume is disabled. If you enable this one, you can see it will equalize sound automatically so that the volume level remains the same when you change between channels and video sources. So to enable this one, simply tap on OK button. Now you can see the auto volume is enabled. Okay, so simply in this way we can fix the issue volume level changing when changed between channels. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.